This walkthrough will cover usage of Apprenda's Kubernetes ACI integration. To use the integration, create an app with a Kubernetes component. In this example, we've created an app using the example YAML distributed with the integration. This particular workload is pingable and provides a UI on port 3000. The settings for configuring network connectivity reside under Component Custom Properties. The APIC tenant custom property specifies which tenant should be configured for the component. This is a read-only property and should correspond to the ACI tenant used by the cluster that the component's workload will be deployed to. The application ports custom property allows a developer to specify the sets of ports and protocols over which their app will accept traffic. These must be specified in the format name/port/protocol. This field allows for either the port or the protocol to be unspecified, which will match all traffic. The port must be unspecified for portless protocols, or if the protocol is also unspecified. For this component, we'll specify ping/unspecified/ICMP and web/3000/TCP. The Apprenda network custom property allows the developer to specify what other apps may access this workload, and conversely allow this workload to access. The first possible value for this setting is common. This results in workloads being deployed to a common pool. The second possible value is isolated, for no connectivity with other workloads. The third possible value is development team. This results in connectivity with other apps deployed by the current development team. The fourth possible value is custom, for connectivity with other apps that specify the same network identifier. For this workload, we'll choose development team. The consume services custom property allows the developer to specify services outside of the specified Apprenda network that their app requires access to. This set is expanded on deployment to include other apps in the specified Apprenda network. In this environment, our system administrator has added a secure web services hosted on Apprenda. We'll check this for our application to demo connectivity with our timecard website. The provided services custom property allows the developer to specify a service that their app provides to apps outside the specified Apprenda network. This set is expanded on deployment to include the contract created for your app. Now we'll promote the app to Sandbox. The first step in the promotion process is network configuration. As seen in APIC, the integration created an AMP with an EPG with the name ConnectivityPod1 v1s. This EPG consumes and provides the contract specified by the developer. It also provides an additional contract for consumption by other apps that specified the same Apprenda network. A filter has been created for this contract with the specified application ports. Now, switching back to the second application we created using the same YAML, you'll notice that we configured this the same way as the previous app, except that we will not require access to non-Kubernetes applications. We'll also promote this app to Sandbox. Now, we'll switch back to APIC. Since this app was deployed with the same Apprenda network as the previous app, the integration has configured it to consume the other app's contract, and vice versa. We can also see that our first app is a consumer of the Apprenda Secure Web Services contract. Let's ping and curl ConnectivityPod2 from ConnectivityPod1. Since both apps were configured for the same Apprenda network, connectivity is permitted on the specified ports and protocols. When we ping and curl ConnectivityPod1 from ConnectivityPod2, we see that the reverse is also permitted. Since we specified that ConnectivityPod1 needed access to secure web services hosted on Apprenda, our integration configured access for those as well. We can show this by curling the URL of the timecard website. Importantly, this URL is not accessible by ConnectivityPod2 since we did not specify that it required access. We can also use the UI to show external connectivity. Finally, credentials can be saved and updated with the integration's web UI. We can also check the integration's log to verify successful operation of the integration.